Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to add the music used in a TikTok to your favorites. Get ready to discover new tunes and enjoy them at your convenience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok feed, where you can explore various videos and discover new content. Step 3. If a TikTok video used a sound that TikTok recognizes, you'll notice an option labeled Original Sound, followed by the name of the sound. Tap on this option to view the name of the sound. Congratulations! You've successfully discovered the name of the music used in the TikTok video. Now you can add it to your favorites for easy access and enjoyment. By adding the music to your favorites, you can create a personalized collection of catchy tunes, popular tracks, or even unique soundscapes that caught your attention while browsing TikTok. To add the music to your favorites, simply tap on the heart icon or any other designated option that signifies adding the sound to your favorites. This action will ensure that the music is saved for future reference and easy access. Now you can listen to your favorite TikTok sounds anytime you want, whether you're looking for inspiration, creating your own TikToks, or simply enjoying the music on its own. Thank you for watching, and enjoy building your personal collection of TikTok music favorites.